Ready to check out some cool views? So we're going, I think, over this direction for a lookout point. So grab the camera, let's go. Yes.
But that. Oh, my phone. It's okay.
Check these.
What's the rainbow? I know it's not.
Apparently, I misgained the rainbow, so nice.
Stop.
Hey now.
Stop. Okay.
Sorry.
Now photos of us. If we can.
We'll try.
Figure it out.
It's hard getting photos together.
Yeah, it is. Which is disappointing.
At least we have cute videos.
It's true. Row, mother trucker.
Ready to go to the next spot?
Yeah, let's go see some waterfalls.
Let's go.
Go. Hike in the middle of nowhere. At least there's nice paved roads and steps. That way I'm not completely lost and losing my breath, you know?
You're such a girl.
Hey, I can be adventurous too, but I do.
No, you are adventurous.
Yeah.
Whoa, I tripped.
Yeah, you just died. I see, I love this, but I do appreciate the paved path, you know?
You're so cute.
Thanks.
This is really cool with the bamboo.
What do you think?
I would never dive down that thing because that is a couple hundred yards. Oh my gosh, that's so tall.
It's so pretty though.
It's gorgeous for sure.